Hey there, business visionaries. Claudia here, your go-to commercial real estate expert in Miami. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a new warehouse that is not just a space, it is a strategic advantage. This corner unit is turnkey and available immediately, whether you are scaling up or relocating. This space is built for businesses. This industrial property has a total of 3,514 square feet with 2,690 of warehouse space. Check out this 20 feet clear ceiling height, so you can stack, store, or scale your operations. Logistics made easy with one double wide dock high door and a ramp accommodating trucks of all sizes. Need office space? We got you covered with 392 square feet of air-conditioned office areas, including a welcoming reception, a private office, and a bathroom. Plus, a 3,432 square feet load-bearing mezzanine for extra storage or workspace. Whether you're receiving shipments or sending out products, this setup keeps things moving very smoothly. Minutes from 836, 826, and the Turnpike, and 13 minutes to Miami International Airport, and a quick hop to CD Place Doral. You're literally surrounded by everything: retail, hotels, restaurants, you name it. Ready to elevate your business? Contact me today to schedule a tour. Let's make your next big move together.